At the same time, Hong Kong has reported 14 new coronavirus cases, bringing its total to nearly 1,300. 9 are locally transmitted, including 5 where the source of infection is still unknown. The other 5 were imported. The government says, given the new wave, it will tighten social distancing restrictions again. Roland Lim has more.
Multiple cases have been reported across the city on Tuesday, including public housing estates, schools, and an elderly care centre. Now, most worrying is that the health authorities have not identified the source of infection in 5 out of the 14 confirmed local cases on Tuesday. A restaurant worker, his colleague, have been confirmed with the disease without a clear source of infection at the Kong Tai Care for the Aged Centre in Wong Tai Sin. An 85-year-old woman living there was earlier sent to Queen Elizabeth Hospital, where she tested positive. And since then, another 79-year-old man at the centre has also preliminarily tested positive, with 2 other residents undergoing testing as well. Now, all residents at that centre will now be quarantined and tested. At least 3 schools suspended classes on Tuesday as well, including 2 institutions where students were infected by COVID-19. The Church of Christ in China Rotary Secondary School in Wong Tai Sin said in a notice to parents that the Education Bureau suggested it suspend classes from Tuesday and to undergo thorough disinfection throughout the campus. This after a Form 3 student there was found to have contracted the virus. The school also advised parents to let their children take virus tests and are now awaiting for the Centre for Health Protection to advise further. Meantime, health authorities have acknowledged that there may be invisible transmissions of the virus among the community that hasn't been picked up yet. Dr. Leong Chi Chiu, who is the chairman of the Medical Association's Advisory Committee on Communicable Diseases, says that the latest cases show there might be multiple sources of the virus due to existing loopholes in the city's quarantine measures. Now, a pilot who was exempt from quarantine also recently tested positive in the city. Health authorities say they will be tightening up its quarantine regime and that there will be mandated testing now for exempted persons arriving into the city. The administration also reviewing its safe distancing measures and will be announcing a basket of actions for schools shortly.